Hello YouTube, how's everybody? This is Bob. Hey, got another shipment of toys. I just love toys. Any other ones I can get. Here's, I think this is gonna be the NedFoss pocket knife right here. Sub $30 from NedFoss. We'll open it up, and there's a couple of Ganzos. I'll show you these later. Okay, I got it out of the box. Says NedFoss. Okay, well, coming with a nice nylon sheath. Perfect. Very sturdy. Nice. For $30 altogether, that's pretty damn good to having a. Oh, let's take that open. Okay, here it is. So let's take a look at it. So now let's take a quick look. Nice thick blade. Oh, the steel is D2 steel, and handle is made of T10. I think it's a nylon fiberglass, something like that. Looks well reconstructed. It's big. It's hefty. There you go. Yeah. Oh, nice. So the whole knife is about 9 inches long, or over 9 inches, and looks good. Yeah. Nice. Deploys fast. Now I like knives not only for its utilitarian reason, but I also like knives that can be used as a weapon if you need it. And this one sure can. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this in my car on the eyeglass compartment above, and just in case somebody gets a bright idea of carjacking me. Very sturdy, very heavy duty. Has some substance to it. Construction is, I would say, excellent. The steel is D2. NedFoss. It doesn't say D2 on the knife, on the blade, but yeah, right here, D2 steel blade material. Now they say it's D2. Who knows? From China, but for $30, how can you complain? I like it. I'm going to keep it in my car for utilitarian reasons, and also for self-defense. When I go hiking, this will be a good protector. Okay, let's take a look at the other ones. So this one's that is very nice. For $30, that's a great price. Let me see this one, and let me try this Ganzos. So this one is the Ganzo Firebird FH922 blade with D2 steel blade with G10. This one's that's how much. I like Ganzos. They make nice knives. Let's take a look. It comes with a pouch, which is nice, but I don't think I'll use it. But my ugly fingers. Looks very nice, very well constructed. Oh, that come out fast. I think this has maybe 3 1/4, 3.5 inch blade, D2. And get a focus on it. There you go. D2, made by Ganzo. Ganzo makes great knives. Nice, budget friendly, and with this kind of price, you can have a whole full drawer full of them. Very nice. I can't see anything wrong with the craftsmanship. I love that. It's a little bit more smoother than the NedFoss, but just minimally. And the lockup is good. Cool. Let me see the next one. Here it is in this pouch, Ganzo. So the next one is this one, Ganzo G334 BK Black. And it has 440C stainless steel with G10 grip. 440C is excellent steel for knives. Let's take a look. Comes neatly packaged with a pouch also, and here's the knife. Oh, nice. Looks like a nice size knife. Looks like a spider, you know, a copy of the spider, but it's good. Nothing wrong with the workmanship. This will be very utilitarian. Cut very well. Cool. So for very little money these days, you can have a whole drawer full of these inexpensive knives. I love them. This one's only $18. How can you complain? So that's it. Let's take a look. But I think this one got my heart though, the NedFoss, because it is big, it's heavy duty, well constructed, thick blade. I love it. I love it. Thank you for watching.